I was just gonna say just like mom, but.
Oh, okay.
OMG.
Sooner, do we really need your commentary on every single one?
How do they even get fireworks to look like that? Like when it explodes? Like how does that work?
Apparently, it's like the different chemicals in it. Like some of them have like.
I didn't know they have chemicals.
It's
But
so
it's-
cool though. Like how does
No,
that
like-
work?
I thought it's only like the actual fire inside them. Yo!
Oh my god, that was big.
Why are they parked in the middle? Of the
I don't
fucking-
know.
Like what the fuck?
I want
OMG!
to not be here when the traffic starts.
There's a bunch of fireworks.
I feel like you could squeeze.
No, you can't. There's no way.
OMG!
You can't even see them, bro.
Whoa, look at them!
I think Xander's having fun.
There's 2 in a row! After 3 milliseconds after that when it appeared, another one.
Like,
Yo, look!
Bro's just happy to be there. Grandma, do you hear him?
Amazing, bro, I like them. Oh, that's cool. I love the fireworks. Bro, look at them. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so loud in my ear. The sky just got light for a millisecond.
you're so
Yo. That's so big. I love fireworks. How are they turning into another color? Here comes a big firework. Oh my gosh. Oh! Amazing. Big fireworks. I'm recording a video of fireworks. Yo, amazing. That's so
That
cool.
one's as large as your gap.